Morning everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first ever Steam Patrick Explores on this channel. Welcome to Patrick Explores Railways. If you've not been, this is a channel where I post railway content on Train Sim World and sometimes in real life. Patrick Explores episode 9 today, and we're exploring the Gwilli Railway, which is behind me. We're going to be stopping at 4 stops today. This one behind me is Gwilli Junction, which is the start of the line. We go up the line 4.5 miles to Holt. We stop there, the train spins around, we come back the line stopping at a train where the miniature railway is. I hope you go on to enjoy this video. If you do, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy the video. The locomotive we're being pulled by today is 6430. This is a steam locomotive which has been here for many years because this is the railway that I visit the most in Wales. Also worth pointing out, the railway is located in Carmarthen, just outside of Carmarthen in Carmarthenshire in Wales. There's two steam locomotives on the Gwilli Railway. There's this one 6430 and the other one is 1144. That one is a full black one. Just wanted to show, look at the size. Look at the size of that reverser. That is insane. Regulator's pretty big as well. You've got quite a few. You've got the cylinder cocks there. The whistle is the chain there. You've got your firebox there. This is the handbrake, the shovel. What else have you got? Where is the large jet? There's the large ejector there. Small injector. You've got, might have some shuttlecocks down there. Yeah, you do. Just there, that's the big shuttlecock. That's the, I'm not sure what that chain is there, but you've also got the boiler with the silver there. Control, the blower is that one there, I think. And apart from that, that's all in the steam engine. On the Gwilli Railway, there is 4 stations. This one that I'm standing on right now is Gwilli Junction. The second one is Brompton Arms. The third one, I'm just reading it now, is Carmarthen Station, which is a couple of miles up the line. And the last one is Holt, which is the end of the line where the train spins around and we reverse back to Carmarthen Station, where there's a miniature railway which might not be open today because yesterday it was absolutely honking it down, but either way we might go and have a look at it. Our journey starts here at Gwilli Junction when we are being pulled by the 1950s coaches while being pulled by the locomotive 6430. The line didn't used to start here. It used to start at Brompton Arms Station down there. There goes the locomotive down there. It used to start at Brompton Arms Railway Station before the line was extended to Gwilli Junction. From Brompton Arms Stations, you'd go up to Holt, the train would turn around and you would come back to Carmarthen Station, where you'd have 40 minutes at the station to go on the miniature railway and go into the area. Today, the railway starts at Gwilli Junction and goes up to Holt and does the same route but terminates here instead of Brompton Arms. This station was the junction where the LNWR line from Carmarthen to Llandudno branched off its journey to meet up with the Central Wales line. The station is a new build as one did not originally exist here as well. So this is Gwilli Junction Station, the first stop on the line. It is also worth pointing out that Gwilli Junction opened on the 1st of July 2017. Before 2001, Holt platform opened. In 1988, Carmarthen Station opened. On the 3rd of November 1977, the Gwilli to Lampersted Light Railway Order 1977 came into operation. On the 21st of April 1975, the Gwilli Railway Company is formed. On the 28th of September 1973, the branch line closes due to the works that was going on further up the line, because this line used to run to Aberystwyth, where the line was in deep trouble and was very nearly to collapsing. On the 20th of February 1965, the last passenger service happened. On the 1st of January 1948, the nationalisation means British Rail emerges. In 1891, the Carmarthen and Cardigan Rail Company is absorbed by the Great Western Company. On the 3rd of September 1860, the Carmarthen and Cardigan Railway Company reaches Conwyl from Carmarthen. And finally, on the 17th of September 1852, the South Wales Register Railway Company reaches Carmarthen. This line was also formerly known as the Carmarthen to Aberystwyth branch line before it was known as the Gwilli Railway. this, guys, is Bromwood Arms Station. This was the old terminus at the off the Gwilli Railway. So you used to get on here and it would take you up to Dannycoid Holt. Not anymore. This was the start. As you can see, there's the old ticket office, booking office there. Green signal. Come over here. Where was the signal office? There was the signal box over there. There's the shunter, there's the other steam. Oh, there's 3 engines. Oh, I didn't know that. There's one of the old sleeper trains there. There's the 09 shunter. Lovely, lovely old train. And that's the other one, Moorbar Road, number 47. So this is the miniature railway here as well. We are going to come back here. It should be open. I highly doubt it won't. Highly doubt it won't be open, but we are coming. We will come back here.
Yeah, but I just want to show you where
This is Dannycoid Station, and from here the line terminates here at the northern end. There are buffers down there. There is also a path down there, and as you can see, the buffers terminate there. But the line used to go all the way up to Aberystwyth, with 21 stations in between Bromwood Arms and Dannycoid Holt. Dannycoid Holt in English is Under the Wood, and was built and opened in 2001, and is based on a typical GWR country halt with its tin shed for parcels and cycles, cast iron gas lamps, post and running in board, with its cast iron letters, again supported on some fine art examples of Victorian cast iron post. Even the benches have the GWR initials cast onto them. The engine runs around here, so stretch your legs. There is enough time to walk to the buffers at the end of the line where the river is crossed by 2 wrought iron sliders. See there. Llanfair Cerrig railway station is a station on the Gwilli railway situated between Danicoed Holt and Bromwood Arms. The station is the Welsh translation of stone platform. This was the site of a short platform about 50 feet long, which was used by the quarry situated on the other side of the river to load stone into wagons. On the journey to Danicoed Holt, the train passes here for a few minutes before setting off for the climb north. Stay aboard as the train will stay at Llanfair Cerrig for approximately 20 minutes on its return. There are many facilities at this station, as much as a miniature railway, a Royal Mail car to look at trains, and a cafe, and also you can get on the train and blow the whistle, as you can see in this clip here, as I do it really loudly. This here is the start of the miniature railway. If you want to come to the miniature railway, you just have to get off the platform, walk straight ahead, and come onto the sidings. In there is the Royal Mail thing with some books in there. This is where the miniature railway is, and it's suitable for all ages, and it's a really enjoyable experience, as seen in this clip. Llanfire Kerwig Station. We're now going back to Gwilli Junction. We're going to pass through Bromwich Yard, and then we go back to Gwilli Junction where we'll end today's video. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, make sure to give a like and subscribe. If you want to see more Steam related content, please tell me. I'll probably next one will be the Severn Valley Railway if I wanted to do one. And I hope you have. If you would like to see more Steam railways, then please do leave a like rating and I can expand on that. Well, back where we started. Thank you. That concludes today's video. I hope you've enjoyed this Steam Railway episode. If you do, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next time. Thanks, guys.